Why you got to show him all the time?
So he's bad looking.
It's my shop. It's Roller Cart Wednesday. So Iron Horse Garage had their Toolbox Tuesday. Yeah. We got you beat. We got toolboxes everywhere. We don't have dogs like that though. Like cats.
One day.
But anyway, we're all tired of falling over on this old chair, so we got some caster wheels at one of the swap meets I went to. We'll probably get it reupholstered with the Harley Davidson logo on there or something, but we're going to weld some wheels on there and see if I can't not fall off and hit myself in the head.
But yeah.
Tell them what you're going to do, Matt. What you going to do?
That's what I'm doing. We're going to weld them on there, that way he can hit the brakes if he gets to rolling down in the hill. But these are for a table or whatever you want to put them on. Probably something wood, but today they're roller cart wheels.
That's right, mechanical adhesion time.
Yeah. So you see where I had them all placed, and I eyeballed it. Trust me, it's right. Check it with the measuring tape if you want to. But we're gonna get all this old paint off here the same way on the patch jobs and the, you know what we do. Just like that, get our paint off. So have some good metal to weld to. These got like a zinc coating or whatever, chrome, whatever you want to knock that off too. On the edges you're gonna weld. Which I'm only gonna weld them 3, so that's what we're doing. You wanna film me doing it?
Yes.
Blow your microphone up and everybody's comments.
So loud.
It's too loud.
It's so loud.
It's too loud.
All I hear is that air leak.
You need to go work in a library if this is too loud.
Yeah.
This ain't nothing.
Go watch another YouTube.
Ride my truck sometime.
Yeah, I know about that too. The bad thing is it puts me to sleep. I guess other people get annoyed by it. I go straight to sleep every time I go.
While Matt's doing that, I put some mud on the side of the CJ. As you can see the back, got the back all smoothed out. That's ready to roll. This side I got a little bit more to do on the corner, a little bit more to do up front. I had a high spot right here, knocked it down. We'll cover it up, sand it all out, put some primer on it, block it out, and this one's ready for paint. So we're doing Raptor liner underneath, Raptor liner inside, and then we're painting it mist silver. It's I think, 82 Jeep color. And then he's got from Phoenix Graphics, he's got the Renegade decals coming for the hood. We're gonna put them on, and then this one's leaving. He's assembling it himself. So that's all we got to do is body work.
It's gonna be slicker than a.
It's gonna be slicker than a dolphin's forehead.
That's right.
That's right. Yep. Slicker than a dolphin's forehead. I like that. Slicker than a bat.
Ow.
Ow.
Yeah.
That's slick. Slicker than bat. Beep. Okay. So that's the update. It's cold. Bondo's setting up slow. It's not Bondo. It's polyester body enhancer. When I'll let this harden completely. A lot of times if you're doing a big area like this, you want to catch it when it just tacks off so you can sand it real easy. I'm using a mud hog on it. I want it to stick. I want it to stay, on the panels good. But like I said, we put it on thick, but as you can see, it pretty much all comes off on the floor. But that's how you get a straight panel smooth. It's just like that. Then we'll put a couple of coats of high build primer on it, block that out with successive finer grits of sandpaper. We'll finally do a wet sand on it and paint it, and done. So there's that. He's going to hit that with the sparkly tube and make it so we can roll around again. It's funny, you get these big pieces of equipment, engine cranes and all that kind of zip tie will stop it dead in its tracks. But this, we got some nice off-road wheels on it, so we'll be able to roll around wherever we want to go. I'll probably just roll home on this now.
Snap-on guy, what was it? $300 for that little cart and
Yeah, $300. I paid $10 for 8 casters
at the swap meet.
at the swap meet. So, but yeah, we'll get that situated and we'll have that. You know, some days we do fun stuff. Some days,
We're waiting on parts.
God, oil pan for that. Ordered it from Jegs. Usually real reputable. Comes the day after you ordered it. It was supposed to be here yesterday. Yesterday afternoon, I got an email that they were delayed, so it was coming today. So I checked my email this morning. It's delayed again until tomorrow. So that's what we're up against a lot of times. Everybody knows, word's out, the supply chain and this and that and the other thing, whatever it is, I don't know. But it can literally grind us to a dead stop. But that's why we've got all this stuff. We can work on something. Like you saw this morning, we got the old tow motor going. So
Dude, I was excited about that.
it's kind of cool. It's kind
It
of cool.
is. I like it.
We're probably going to go through and dress her up a little bit and make it nice. Look back there, I got some race buckets we're going to put on her. Probably going to take the roll bar off it because that's how we roll.
Street racers.
A buddy of mine used to race a bike. He said wheelie bars are for skirts.
You let that clutch out in that low gear,
Oh, yeah.
it spins in the
Yeah.
gravel.
Yep. So that's what we're doing.
Everything works on that thing.
It does, too.
Did you get video of me driving around the parking lot, testing out all the gears? Grinds a little in the first. You got to let the clutch out right before it, and then push.
Yeah. It's
You'll
like
feel
old.
it. You feel it.
It's like
Yeah.
an old car. It's fine. My truck does that. The 4-wheel drive truck. You got to let the clutch out a little bit to put it in
Yeah.
low range, in
That's
low
what you
gear.
got to do first
Yeah.
gear. It goes right in reverse though.
Yeah.
We'll leave that high range alone though. We don't get too much.
Yeah, we don't want to get too crazy with it.
Yeah, good
But-
thing.
I don't know. Maybe somebody once said we did the Lawn Outlaws challenge. We should probably do some forklift stuff too. All right, that's enough. I know. I don't want to bore you with needless banter.
They
But
enjoy it. I know
They do.
Yeah.
They do. Some people
That's why
do.
they want
You know. We could buy a diesel pickup
They
truck
definitely
and just
watching the one because I'm welding caster.
we could buy a diesel pickup truck and crush it or set it on fire or something. People might like doing that. I got cars out there. We can set them on fire.
I'd have a blast, but
I know.
I'd probably be sore the next day whooping on a car. Especially the way he does it.
Yeah,
He's hard on himself.
well, he's a young guy, so
Yeah,
he
like us.
can, you know, he can take those beats. We go out and do jumps in a truck or something like
I'm
that.
a little
It-
crazier than him. I'll headbutt the windows instead of punching them with his fist. That's
he-
weak. And then he bopped that little glove with the little knuckles. I mean,
Yeah, punching windows
Come on,
out.
man.
That's just stupid. You can't punch a window out.
you can headbutt a window out though.
Yeah, still. All right, back to work.
Yeah, so all right, I got it grinded out. I'm gonna go ahead and clean one of these up and get it welded on just to show y'all real quick. So I got that ground down. I'm just gonna take this around these edges here. Knock that coating off. I believe it's zinc. I'll try to keep the noise to a minimum. Be careful, watch your fingers. If you're a rookie at this, you might want to stick this thing in a vise or step on it with your foot.
You're playing baseball. It's like a pop five. People go heads up. That's a bad idea because you're going to put your head up, get hit with a ball. The other thing is watch your eyes. You can do it, but I
I can
can't.
watch
I
one of
can't. You can watch one of them.
Unless I got
I
three
can't
mirrors.
watch my eyes. It just doesn't make sense.
Science.
Let's go, Brandon.
There you go.
That's what it is.
I just figured out what that meant the other day.
Let's go, Brandon.
My daughter told me.
Yeah.
I'm working.
What's high in the middle and low on both ends?
Say it again.
High in the middle and low on both ends.
Oh, I guess you. Idaho?
Idaho potatoes. We can probably get some potatoes from the guys at Iron Horse, because they're from Idaho.
They're right down the street from the.
Potato farm? I think they are.
They can sneak over in that field and grab us some.
Just take some potatoes.
I like taters. There you go, Bushy. Ain't pretty, man.
I like that jug then.
Good in my wheel. It ain't perfect, but it ain't got to be perfect. Just hold up Jim's weight. That's all.
That wasn't me. Alright. But yeah, I'm going to do that one more time.
What's up, everybody? So we got them all welded up here. A little close up on them weld.
Huh?
I'm gonna cool it off real quick so we can touch it and actually use it. Because I refuse to wear gloves for wimps. So why are you cooling it off then? Just grab it. Don't be a little bitch.
How about that? Yeah.
Yeah. Sweep the floor. Let me test it out. You can always tell how good a penetration you got by the. Imagine if that piece of wood gave out. You're talking about penetration.
Yeah,
Like
that'd
the
wake you up.
bicycle seat back in the day, once you hit the jump
And the bike seat comes
off.
off. Yeah.
I've done that.
Yeah.
I think we've all done that on the bumpers with banana
Some
seats.
people just kept doing it.
But no, seriously, you can tell how good a penetration you got by looking at the backside of whatever you're welding and see the heat transfers. She's welded on hot.
Nice work.
Hot.
Nice work.
Oh, yeah. it's gotta be heavy duty.
This government work.
Capacity that's on it.
I know. That's how I busted all the other wheels off it. Okay, so we built a nice creeper seat. I'm making a cup of coffee, waiting patiently for polyester body enhancer to set up so I can sand it all off. And we'll move along. Matt's gonna do something. Austin's not gonna do anything. Fuel line.
On the old tow motor,
That's right.
we decided to go ahead and do away with the old fuel tank because too much rust.
Yep.
About like that frame over there.
Only worse.
Yeah. So we're gonna put a little fuel cell or 5-gallon bucket or something, you know. But I'm gonna reuse this fitting here. I'll just cut it with the tubing cutter. This is 5/16, and all we got is 1/4 inch right now, and I don't feel like wasting my boss man's money on something I could fix. But same way with the brake lines. All I'm gonna do is cut it back with the tubing cutter, slide this on, and reflare it. If you're looking there, there's a flare just like a. Get it?
That's right. I'm making a coffee.
Yeah, it's the biggest we got is 1/4 inch, so that ain't gonna cut it.
Is that the piece you're looking for?
That's the piece he made for us.
He made this for us?
No, that's the piece I found.
That's the piece you were looking for. That's okay.
It was over there under something that Austin kicked.
Yeah.
He kicked it under something.
Well, he got new boots, so he kicks stuff a lot further now.
Man, and they're still too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I lost my coffee cup, Austin. What'd I do with it?
Do it in a snack on cup.
No, I brought it out. Snap on it.